Hi, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. You can sit here.
Thanks. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Hi Alex, I'm Lily. Nice to meet you too. What brings you to the cafe?
Just wanted a quiet place to relax. How about you?
Same here, and I love their coffee. Do you come here often?
It's my first time. Any recommendations on what to order?
The cappuccino is good here. Or you can try the chocolate muffins. They're my favorite.
Sounds delicious. I'll go with the cappuccino. So, do you live around here?
Yeah, I live just a few blocks away. What about you?
I'm new to the area. Just moved here for work. It's a nice neighborhood.
Welcome. I hope you like it here. What do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. How about you? What do you do?
I'm a student. I'm studying biology at the university.
That's cool. Biology sounds interesting. What do you enjoy most about it?
I love learning about living organisms and how everything works together. It's fantastic.
Sounds really interesting. I'm more into art and design. Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy reading and hiking. I find it relaxing. How about you?
I like playing video games. It's really fun. Do you have a favorite book?
I love fiction, especially mystery novels. Have you read any good books lately?
Not recently, but I'm open to suggestions. Maybe you can recommend one?
Sure. How about The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo? It's an exciting mystery.
I'll check it out. Thanks for the recommendation, Lily. So, what's your favorite coffee shop activity?
I like sitting here, reading a good book, and sipping on my coffee.
What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
I like spending time outdoors and reading. How about you?
I enjoy playing sports and listening to music. I play the guitar a bit too. What is your favorite music?
I like pop music. Any favorite artists for you?
I like Ed Sheeran. By the way, do you have any pets?
I don't have any pets, but I love dogs. They're so adorable. Do you have any?
Yeah, I have a dog named Max. It is a golden retriever.
I love golden retrievers. They're so loyal and cute.
I will take Max for a walk this weekend. Do you want to join us?
Really? I would like it. I can't wait to meet Max.
I think you will get along well. So, do you have any siblings?
I have a younger brother. How about you?
Yeah, I have an older sister. Siblings can be fun, right?
Absolutely. They bring a lot of energy to the family. Do you get along well with your sister?
Yeah, my sister, Emma, and I get along pretty well. She's into art, so we have different interests, but it's nice. Do you get along well with your brother?
Yeah, my brother, Martin, is really energetic. He's into science.
Do you and Martin have any shared hobbies?
We both love playing video games, so we often play together. It's a fun way to bond. What about you and Emma?
Nice. Emma and I sometimes go for hikes together. We love doing this. So, any favorite family traditions you have with Martin?
Well, every Friday, we have a movie night with lots of popcorn. It's a nice way to relaxing and spending time together. Do you and Emma have any favorite family traditions?
Yes, we do. We are baking cookies together during the holiday. The whole house smells amazing, and we get to delicious cookies.
Siblings make our lives more fun. Today is Friday, we have a movie night with Martin. I have to go.
Oh right. Nice to meet you. It was a nice meeting. Don't forget our plan. I will take Max for a walk at 5 p.m. on Saturday.
Nice to meet you too. I can't wait to meet Max. See you on Saturday. This is the end of our conversation. You can improve your English with our videos. If you want to see more beginners video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.